taken the distance between two consecutive base pairs is 0.34 nanometer or 0.34 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter ko distance karamba distance ko haibadi base pair ani ki thangnaba base pair thangnaba base pair ani ki distance so 0.34 nanometer ne ba ko aduga meter do onthoke haragana 10 to the power minus 9 ne into 1000 gadaba aduga meter do olani ko meter do onthoke haragana base pair haibadi samna harabada adenine ga thymine ga base pair ni adenine ga thymine ga se base pair ni dana aduga sigi marak ki distance se kana legi mathang da guanine ga cytosine si marak ki distance se 0.34 nm ne ba ko 0.34 nm ne ba if the length of DNA double helix is in a typical mammalian cell is calculated simply by multiplying the total number of base pair with distance between two consecutive base pair, that is 6.6 into 10 to the power 9 base pair into 0.34 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter or base pair. Haibadi length of DNA ki asang base DNA ki asang base kamaina calculate tauge hai tare simply distance haidi base pair conjugative base pair ki distance tuga base pair haidi 6.6 total number of base pair mangon da yawbodo total number of base pair 6.6 into 10 to the power 9 base pair yawe habane bako DNA mada adugi base pair dune aduga thangnaba base pair ani ge distance to adu animak into tausanaraga length of DNA puthueba it comes out to be approximately 2.2 meters ko approximately haidi exact nate ko mana phangi ban answer se 2.2 meters phangi ba habadi length of DNA se DNA ge asang ba se approximately 2.2 meters phangi ba length that is far greater than the dimension of a typical nucleus approximately 10 to the power minus 6 meter ko kar length ko sigi length sina DNA gi length sina ne nucleus ta gi yam hena chawgre ba ko nucleus gi approximately 10 to the power minus 6 meter khatane ba aduga length of DNA na approximately 2.2 meters ne ba aduna length of DNA sina yam hena chawgre ba ko in prokaryotes such as E. coli, though they do not have defined nucleus, the DNA is not scattered throughout the cell. Haibadi prokaryotes study ko prokaryotes karamba prokaryotes haibada E. coli haiba bacteria sidadi ko masi prokaryotes oibanina nucleus yaude ba ko defined oiba nucleus yaude ba ko eukaryote di true nucleus yawe haidan prokaryotes study absent oi haidana ko basic concept ta aduna DNA se cell du da scatter tor laite ba ko nucleus yaudramne DNA se cell khuding gi scatter tor laigadab do laitre ba DNA being negatively charged is held with some proteins that have positive charges in a region termed as nucleoid. DNA se kadai de yauge hai tar ni ba di nucleus ti yaudrabani na ko nucleoid ko bam de yaw leire ba ko DNA se ko with protein ko protein kharaga ko duga DNA na negatively charged orani protein sina positive charge orani ko the DNA in nucleoid is organized in large loop held by proteins ko DNA se nucleoid te lai habane large loop haidi protein na question laga lai habane ba ko nucleoid manung da DNA se yaruga protein na question laga loop ama se maga loop haidi question ba dubune ba ko se maga lai habane ba ko aina nakanda E. coli bacteria gi ko haidi prokaryotes ki picture ule se nakanda ule ba pic se sine ba ko prokaryotes ki DNA se kamai yawe haibadu ne ba ko aina ulise in eukaryote this organization is much more complex adubu eukaryote tadiko yam complex oiba ko haidi sigi DNA organization DNA laibagi mawong se complex oiba ko tongale ba there is a set of positively charged basic protein called histone ko positively charged ko basic protein histone hai se protein ne ko protein makhala mane ma se positive charge ya positively charged oiba protein nama yawe ba ko histone set ama yawe ba histone set ama a protein acquires charge acquire charge depending upon the abundance of amino acid residue with charge side chain. Protein acquires charge depending upon the amino acid residue. Haibadi protein charge acquire tawbase haidi, that means mase positive charge oigera natraga oidoira natraga negatively charge oigera haibase kaida depend tawge haiba matamda phangiba amino acid to phangiba yauriba amino acid residue do adugi matung inna mase protein sina negative charge oibabu oiro positive charge oibabu oiro adugi matung inna mase decide tawe habane bako. Histone haise protein habini ko, protein dubuni histone haise. Histones are rich in the basic amino acid residue lysine and arginine. This is important ne ko, si lysine ga arginine haibadi si important ne haibadi ko. Histone haidi protein se ko, si protein se basic amino acid yawe bako, basic amino acid yawe residue ya karamba amino acid na haiba matamda lysine ga arginine ko ba amino acid se histone protein se yawe haiba ko. Next, both the amino acid residue carry positive charges in their side chains. Both the amino acids, karambe amino acid, lysine ga arginine ga, lysine ga arginine ga, si ani sida ne positive charge yawe kaigino mada positive charge orise haiba matamda mangon ma se histone protein de yawbani na ko, histone protein de yawbani ma se positive charge oi haibane ba ko. Aduna histones are organized to form a unit of 8 molecule histone octamer haibadi aduna histone se ko unit ama form tawe ba ko adusu 8 molecule gi 8 molecule oi ba molecule nipan gi ko histone molecule nipan gi unit ama form tawe ba ko adubu histone octamer ko ba ko aina nakanda uli picture se histone octamer gi pic ne ba ko. Histone octamer hai tardi histone nipan na form 8 histone na form taw ba ko 8 histone na form taw badubu histone octamer hai ba octamer hai se octet hai se 8 hai ba natro aduna histone octamer hai sa ai nakanda uli ba pics ne ko. The negatively charged DNA is wrapped around the positive charged histone octamer to form a structure called nucleosome. Haibadi nucleosome haidi kaino haiba matamda ko sige nucleosome haise histone octamer do ko haidi histone octamer do da ko histone octamer sida DNA na ne wrap tawra lai ba haidar di DNA na question la lai haibane ba ko. Si ani se pulaga nucleosome se me ba ko. Histone octamer se positively DNA sina negative charge orani dana histone octamer sina positive charge orani histone octamer positive charge da DNA na question la lai done koire lai done ba ko wrap tawra lai done ba ko adune asida yeng sa ko si diagram se si ne ba ko diagram nucleosome ge diagram hai se si ne ba ko si se histone octamer ne re ko si se histone octamer ne ba ko aduga histone octamer sida di ama khatang ne ba only se molecule ama khatane ba som da sugumba histone octamer se octamer hai tadi nipan hai bane ba ko sugumba molecule se nipan ne ba yaudori se ko so molecule se nipan ne ba yaudori se aduna DNA na wrap tawr lai haidi DNA na question la lai se ngo si DNA na question lai se adune ba ko aduga magi sigisina H1 histone ka web ko si pull up diagram pull up sibune ba nucleosome hai se si important ne ko si diagram se haidi leveling taw bu su important ne magi level taw ri se ko leveling taw bu important ne aduna si diagram se important ne hai histone octamer da DNA se negatively charged ni histone octamer na positive charge ni histone octamer na DNA na question laga haidi wrap tawr lai hai bane ba ko. Next, The negatively charged DNA is wrapped around the positively charged histone octamer to form a structure called nucleosome. Huzik nucleosome aina hai khibado ko DNA na wrap tawra lai habado histone octamer da ko. A typical nucleosome contains 200 base pair of DNA helix. Huzik ki DNA wrap tawri badu da ne ko nucleosome ama da ne DNA wrap taw DNA sida na tro base pair yauri se base pair hai tardi kai do bodo adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine da adudune bako base pair haidi adudane 200 base pair yaube adugumba pair da adenine, thymine sina pair ama leire guanine, cytosine sina pair ama adugumba pair da 200 yawe haba ko DNA helix koiriba DNA helix da ko nucleosome da koiriba. Nucleosome constitute the repeating unit of a structure in nucleus called chromatin, thread-like stain, body seen in nucleus ko nucleosome constitute nucleosome se ko repeating unit of a structure called in nucleus. Nucleosome se kana kai kai ne sembano hai tardi repeating unit structure of nucleus ki structure se nucleus ki structure se unit structure amane bako adugumba unit to hanjan taraga chromatin ko ba ma seme bako chromatin hai se kaino thread like ko lang man ba nucleus te yawi bako aduni aina nakanda uliba picse nucleus ke structure ne bako sida chromatin haidi thread man ba lang sugum bam lang ma yawi se si se chromatin ne bako. The nucleosome in a chromatin are seen as beads on string structure when viewed under electron microscope. Haibidi nucleosome in chromatin haidi chromatin se nucleosome de yauba nucleosome de chromatin se ko beads on string hadi lik ta maru yaubudo lik maru yaubudo adu dun maina uiba ai nakan do lik se si lik sida maru yaubudo maina taw se sida si se octamer ge form ne ba ko moi adu da inspire taw semba lik ne ba adu man hai se nucleosome hai se histone octamer do iduna pull up ta adu di sigi semaina chromatin sina chromatin thread like ne sumaina bits maru yaubdu maina uni habane ba ko electron microscope tadi ui haba sumaina ko bits on string hai se ko aina kanda uleba pixine ba ko. The bits on string structure in chromatin is packaged to form chromatin fibers that are further coiled and condensed at metaphase stage of cell division to form chromosomes. Bits on string structure haidi bits on string sugumba string haidi lik ta maru bits yaubagi type the structure is a chromatin gi ko is packaged to form chromatin fiber adu do pack tawrani dana pack taram chromatin fiber oido ne ba ko chromatin fiber the fiber all haidi pack tawraga chromatin fiber oina all ni dana aduga further coil aduma halla adum conchan gidoine ba ko halla coil ga ko condense karam ka da metaphase stage cell division ki metaphase stage sida ne condense tawrani dana ko haidi further adum koisa coil hen tawraga ko chromosome se form tawdoine ba chromosome ko ba se form tawdoine ba ko. The packaging of chromatin at higher level requires additional sets of protein that are collectively referred to as non-histone chromosomal protein ko haibidi non-histone chromosomal proteins haibidi ko DNA kaigumba ko packaging of chromatin at higher level ko haidi higher level dane chromatin se pack tawge hai tardi ko atopa haidi tongan ba set proteins myam change ba ko adu apun badubu adugi apun ba set tubu kai kauge hai tardi important ne ko non-histone chromosomal proteins and C habisa kawe ko. In a typical nucleus, some regions of chromatin are loosely packed and stained light and are referred to as euchromatin. Ko typical nucleus study ko khar haidi chromatin ki region khara di ko chromatin ki region khara di loosely pack se loose oine taweba duga stain haidi magi machu se ko magi stain tawbase ko light oina stain taweba ko haidi dark oideba ko aduna euchromatin kaweba ko adu aina nakanda uliba picture se euchromatin ga heterochromatin gineba ko difference neba ko ina ulise the chromatin that is more densely packed and stains darks are called as heterochromatin. Heterochromatin hai sina karamba no hai darkly stain hai stain tawbudo dark oibudo ai nakanda ulibe pixel ani si difference tuni ko euchromatin ge heterochromatin ge aduduna heterochromatin kaweba ko Euchromatin is said to be transcriptionally active chromatin. Euchromatin is said to be transcriptionally active chromatin. Active chromatin har khangnei ba ko euchromatin se aduga heterochromatin na inactive ko inactive chromatin har khangnei ba ko sine ngasi video sigi topic ko DNA packaging ko aduga mathangi video da tawdushina the search for genetic material topic se ko haidi khara mayam na tanaba su oi haidi khara luba su oi bani na ne aina haidi yam tawshan bado boring su chura kani aduga khara tawraga he na khangna ba na ina tawbane ba ko aduna gyan ta da ba khangning ba le su comment adum hairo aduna traga su ai insta da dum hairo ko insta gi link to dum ai description ta hapakke ko aduna मैं आपने वीडियो से पाम्बी बेयार गदी लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब तो बियो थैंक यू